In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep certain rows or columns visible while scrolling through your Excel worksheet using the Freeze Panes feature. This handy tool can significantly enhance your productivity and make navigating large datasets much easier. Let's dive into how you can use it effectively. Let's start by freezing just the top row of your worksheet. Imagine you have a massive spreadsheet with numerous rows, and you want to keep the column headers visible as you scroll down. To do this, first, click on the View tab at the top of the screen. You'll find this tab along your toolbar. Once there, look for the Freeze Panes option. Click on it and then choose Freeze Top Row from the drop-down menu. By doing this, you'll lock the topmost row in place, which allows you to scroll through the rest of your data while keeping your headers visible at all times. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that your column headings are always at your fingertips, no matter how deep you delve into your data. Next, let's explore how to freeze the first two columns of your worksheet. This is particularly useful if you're working with data that has important row identifiers or titles in the first few columns, and you want them to stay in view as you move across your spreadsheet. To achieve this, first, click on the third column. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but you want to select the first column to the right of those you intend to freeze. Once you've clicked your third column, head back to the View tab. Click on Freeze Panes and then select Unfreeze Panes, then Freeze Panes once more from the drop-down menu. Now your first two columns will remain visible as you scroll horizontally through your data. This way, all of your key identifiers in the initial column stay in sight, making it much easier to keep track of your current position within your spreadsheet. In some cases, you may need to freeze both specific rows and columns simultaneously. To do this, you'll need to click on the cell located just below the row you want to freeze and to the right of the column you wish to lock in place. Picture this as setting a point of reference for Excel. Everything above and to the left of your selected cell will stay visible. Once you've selected your cell, return to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, Unfreeze Panes, and then choose Freeze Panes again. This action will freeze your specified rows and columns, ensuring that both remain in view as you navigate through your spreadsheet. It's an incredibly convenient way to manage your data's visibility and maintain focus on the most relevant parts of your dataset. Finally, if you ever need to remove all frozen panes and return your worksheet to its original scrolling functionality, the process is simple. Just go to the View tab once more, click on Freeze Panes, and this time select Unfreeze Panes from the options provided, just like we did earlier. This will unfreeze any rows or columns you've previously locked, allowing you to freely scroll through your entire worksheet again. And there you have it. Using the Freeze Panes feature in Excel is a straightforward yet incredibly effective way to keep essential data visible, enhancing both your ease of navigation and efficiency in analyzing large sets of information. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.